In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder email from your Gmail. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to handle reminders right inside Google's tools: scheduling an email to go out at a future time, and using Google Calendar to trigger an email reminder for an event. I'll also touch on a third option, using extensions, so you can choose what fits your workflow best. Let's start with the most direct approach, using Gmail's built-in schedule send. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. Write your email just as you normally would. Add the recipient, a clear subject line, and the body of the message. A quick tip here: because this email will arrive later, make the subject specific, like reminder, project update due Friday, so it's instantly recognizable when it lands. Now, instead of clicking send, look for the small arrow next to the send button. Click that arrow and choose schedule send. You can pick one of the suggested times or select pick date and time to choose an exact moment. Double check the time zone if you're coordinating across regions, then confirm by clicking schedule send. Your message is now queued and will go out automatically at the time you selected. If you need to review it later, you'll find it in the scheduled folder, where you can adjust timing or cancel if plans change. Next, let's look at using Google Calendar to generate an email reminder. Open Google Calendar and create a new event for whatever you need to remember, perhaps a follow-up call, a deadline, or a check-in. Add the title, date, and time. In the notification or reminder section, add an email reminder. Choose when you want that email to arrive: minutes, hours, or days before the event, so it hits your inbox at the most helpful moment. You can add more than one reminder if needed. Once everything looks right, save the event. At the scheduled time, Gmail will deliver that email reminder to you, ensuring the task stays on your radar without you having to think about it. Lastly, you can use third-party extensions to enhance scheduling and reminders. These tools can automate more complex follow-ups or sequences. If you go this route, review permissions carefully and keep your data private by only granting access you truly need. That's it. Use Schedule Send when you want an email to reach someone at a specific time, and use Calendar when you want an automated email reminder tied to an event. Try both and see which feels most natural for your day to day.